Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and just like the title says, of course, I'm going to be doing a review on this London Sunshine 13-inch Kamado, ceramic Kamado grill. They've been around for, I think, close to 2 years with this little 13-inch one. If you've seen the videos or reviews on it before, well, here you get another one. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of it, and then we'll do a walk around. We'll check it all out and tell you more about it. And we'll probably cook some, I think I'll do some wings on it or something like that. All right, so let's get this thing unboxed and we'll go from there. All right, there you go. It's packaged really well. Looks like it's all in one piece. Let's get this thing put together. Very simple. When you put this into here, you want to line it up so the vent is in the front so that it opens and closes and not blocked by a leg. And same thing with the handles for the lid. You just take off the nuts and attach it. Of course, you want to have the name London Sunshine up, not down. Unless you want to put it upside down, that's up to you. And along, got everything on. The last thing we need to do is put this vent cap on. Let's see. I think we're going to put it this way. Caution hot surface. They have holes already in here. And you just put the bolt through, line it up with the hole right there. And don't forget that side right there. I can lift the lid. There's more packaging in there. And get the bolts or the nuts on this way. It's a lot easier. I will mention, you don't really want to over tighten those nuts. I mean, it is screwing into this ceramic top. Okay, and so while I've got this open, it has the grate. Looks like it's got the fire pot in there as well. Don't forget to take all this packaging out. This thing is really packaged well. Looks like it's all good and in one piece. Let me get this unpacked. Okay, so here's the ceramic fire pot. It does have a notch here that you want to have it towards the front where the opening is for the vent, so it'll vent properly. All right, that sits down inside there. And then it's got a grate that sits on top. All right, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so I do want to mention, so this is the 13-inch Kamado, and the 13 inches is the outside width of the Kamado. It's not the cooking surface. The cooking surface, the grate, is looks like it's exactly 10 inches. So the grate's 10 inches, and I forgot to put, once you put your, or this is for your charcoal grate, you put this down in there and put your charcoal on top of there. All right, so that goes down inside. Put your charcoal in there, and then your grate. And just like that, I mean, you're ready to grow. Just put some charcoal in, get it lit, and you are ready to roll. You know, right here's the vent top. You can have your vent wide open. You can close it and just adjust your temperatures right there through the top. Full open, half open, quarter, whatever. And then, of course, like I mentioned, is right here, just like any other grill, right? It has the little vents right there. If I could do this one-handed. Okay, so it does have a screen there, and you can, close it off, open up, or open it all the way up. So most, if you're not familiar with it, that's how you adjust your temperatures, your bottom vent and your top vent, and it does have a temperature probe right there on the top. So that's it. Okay, look at that. I mean, it's a good looking little Kamado grill, and look at this hinge on the back. We're talking heavy duty, and that, like I said, this thing weighs 45 or 50 pounds, and you can lift that with ease. I mean, super easy. Not heavy at all. All right, so I'm going to get some charcoal in this thing. I'm going to find a spot out on a table outside. We'll light it up. We'll let it burn off for a few minutes. I think I'll just throw some chicken wings on here. I haven't made wings in a long time. So I'll see you on the outside. I said I'd see you outside. Before I go outside, I want to go over a couple more things. All right, so this is your little pamphlet to put the Kamado Grill together, but it also gives you, you know, you get the warnings, you get the maintenance, how to light it, low temperature cooking, smoking guide, high temperature cooking, food cooking information, and then it gives you cook times and kind of where you want to have your vents open to get the right temperatures to cook. So that's a very helpful guide that comes with this. If you're not familiar with cooking on a Kamado, which is me, I don't have a Kamado. I haven't had the larger ones before. So this is a learning experience for me too. And I also wanted to mention, if you want to know the dimensions of this, from the table to the top, 20 inches. From the front of the handle to the back of the hinge, 20 inches. And from hinge to handle to handle, 20 inches. So it's 20-inch square. All right, we'll see outside. Outside, I'll tell you what, these handles right here make it so convenient to carry. You could carry that thing, you could pack that in your truck, you could take that grilling on the outdoors somewhere. You know, hey, it's portable. You can smoke on it, cook on it, grill on it, wherever you want. And, you know, this thing is really not for a big family of 4, although you could feed a family of 4 off of it. Perfect for 1 or 2 people. You know, there's space to cook more, or you just cook some, take it off. If you're doing burgers, take them off, feed, you know, move on. But I was just going to show you. So I've got a pound of chicken wings that I'm going to be doing this on today. We'll get those on there. They'll fit. I've got a 2 1/4 pound pork shoulder or picnic roast. That would definitely fit on there, just like that, right? Okay. And then I was at the store and I picked up this just under 1.5 pound tri-tip. Yeah, $7. Couldn't pass it up. That will fit in there. And that tri-tip, I mean, you're easily going to feed 2, 3 people, maybe 4 if you don't, you know, eat a whole ton of it each. If you eat responsibly and have side dishes. But I'll tell you what, this 2 1/4 pound picnic roast, definitely. Pulled pork, sliced pork, whatever you want. Anyway, so, you know, small portions, but it'll definitely cook. All right, so let's get this thing lit up and we'll get some wings going. Okay, so this fire pot is not real big. I'm going to use some lump charcoal in there. It'll probably burn hot. I'm using royal oak. I don't want to get too much. I don't want the flame to be extremely hot for my wings, but I do want to try to get up to about between 300, 325, maybe 350. So as you can see, when I get the charcoal in there and the distance from the grate, they sell a ceramic, 9-inch ceramic that goes over that. That'll help, you know, get diffuse the heat, so to say. So anyway, so let's get this lit. I am just going to use a tumbleweed. Get my tumbleweed lit. That's all. You can use a lighter. Got the Kamado up to just over 300. It'll climb a little more. I've got this vent down here just a little ways open, all the way open at the top, because we want to get up to, you know, right in there, 300 to 350, and we're going to get these wings on. Alrighty. So these are my wings. You know, as far as I just put the world famous spicy SPG on these wings. I've got this rolling at a little over 300 degrees. Directly over the lump charcoal, so this should only take maybe 30 minutes, maybe 45. We'll keep an eye on them. All right, close the lid. We'll check them. I'll probably check them and turn them in about 15. All right, so this is only showing 200, but it's cooking up these wings really well, so I'm not sure how accurate that is, but we're gonna flip the wings. It's been 15 minutes. Look at that. We're over direct heat too, so you just got to check them, just like any other grill that you get. It's a learning curve. All right, I'll check these in about 15 more minutes. We'll do a temp check. They might be ready, so see you in a few. All right, about another 15 minutes. Look at that. All right, we'll check them. 175. 171, that's done. 194, the flats are done. 190. All right. London Sunshine Kamado 13-inch grill. Did some wings on it. It's heavy duty. It's just like the big ones as far as the thickness and everything. It's smaller, sure, but hey, it cooked up some wings. Let's give them a bite. Done all the way through in about 35 minutes. But there's the drumstick. Are you team flats or drummies? All right. If you're interested in one of these little Kamados, great for camping. Take it with you. I mean, 20 by 20, it'll fit in your car, and that's edge to edge. Check down below. I'll have the discount code for you. I'll have the link for you to purchase one if you're interested in one. I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. I'm definitely going to be using that a lot. I'll be doing more cooks on it. This is just the review, the first cook, breaking it in, checking it out. London Sunshine Kamado 13-inch grill. Links below. Thanks for checking this out, and I hope you have a great day. And go look at this. I mean, it's pretty nice.